Hey everyone! Get ready to discover 14 mind-blowing Amazon household products you never knew existed. From genius cleaning tools to smart storage solutions, these gadgets will transform your home. And as always, links are in the description. This self-heating coffee mug is the perfect companion for coffee lovers who enjoy their drinks at the ideal temperature. Designed with advanced heating technology, this mug keeps your coffee, tea, or hot beverage warm for extended periods, ensuring every sip is just as satisfying as the first. With a sleek and modern design, it's perfect for home, office, or on-the-go use. The intuitive controls make it easy to adjust the temperature to your preference, while the durable, high-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to lukewarm coffee and enjoy the perfect warmth with every sip. This French door air fryer oven is the ultimate all-in-one kitchen appliance designed for versatility and convenience. With its spacious interior and dual French doors, it allows for easy access and effortless cooking. This powerful oven features multiple cooking functions, including air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, and dehydrating, giving you endless possibilities for meal preparation. Equipped with rapid 360 degrees air circulation, it ensures crispy, golden results with little to no oil. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the intuitive digital display makes operation simple. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or preparing a quick meal, this multifunctional appliance delivers restaurant-quality results every time. This indoor garden is the perfect solution for growing fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers year-round, right from the comfort of your home. Designed with advanced hydroponic technology, this system eliminates the need for soil, allowing plants to grow faster and healthier with nutrient-rich water circulation. Featuring adjustable LED grow lights that mimic natural sunlight, it ensures optimal plant growth in any environment. The sleek, compact design makes it ideal for kitchens, offices, or small spaces. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this indoor garden provides an effortless way to enjoy homegrown, pesticide-free produce. This sleep tracking pad is a cutting-edge sleep monitoring device that seamlessly fits under your mattress, providing advanced insights into your sleep patterns without any discomfort. Equipped with highly accurate sensors, it tracks sleep cycles, heart rate, snoring, and breathing disturbances to help you understand and improve your sleep quality. With automatic synchronization to the HealthMate app, you receive detailed reports and personalized tips to optimize your rest. This mini massage gun is your go-to companion for powerful, portable muscle relief. Designed for on-the-go recovery, this compact yet mighty device delivers deep percussive therapy to help relieve muscle tension, reduce soreness, and enhance relaxation. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to target tight muscles with precision. With a quiet motor and long-lasting battery life, this minigun ensures a seamless massage experience wherever you are. Featuring advanced air compression technology, it improves circulation, reduces muscle fatigue, and alleviates discomfort after long hours of standing or sitting. The built-in heat function enhances relaxation by soothing stiff muscles and promoting better blood flow. With adjustable intensity levels and multiple massage modes, you can customize your experience for maximum comfort. This pet hair remover is the ultimate solution for pet owners tired of stubborn fur on furniture, carpets, and clothing. Designed with an innovative electrostatic charge, this roller effortlessly picks up pet hair without the need for sticky tapes or batteries. Simply roll back and forth to collect hair into the built-in chamber, then empty it with ease. Durable, eco-friendly, and reusable, it provides a cost-effective and hassle-free way to keep your home fur-free. Perfect for dog and cat owners who want a clean, hair-free space in seconds. This keyboard cleaning kit is the ultimate solution for keeping your devices spotless and dust-free. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this all-in-one cleaning kit comes with precision tools to remove dirt, debris, and smudges from keyboards, laptop screens, and other electronic surfaces. The soft bristle brush easily sweeps away dust from hard-to-reach areas, while the included microfiber cloth ensures a streak-free finish. Whether you're maintaining your laptop, PC, or tablet, this compact and portable kit makes cleaning effortless. Keep your workspace tidy and your devices looking brand new with this keyboard cleaning kit. This smart food kitchen scale is your ultimate kitchen companion, designed to make healthy eating effortless. Equipped with a nutritional calculator, This smart scale provides precise weight measurements while tracking calories, protein, fat, carbs, and more for over 8,000 foods. This high-precision digital scale syncs with the VSync app, allowing you to log your meals, set dietary goals, and monitor your progress directly from your smartphone. The sleek stainless steel design offers durability and easy cleaning, while the clear LCD display ensures readability. This scale is perfect for meal prep, portion control, and achieving your health goals with confidence. This Bluetooth tracker is your go-to solution for keeping track of your essentials. Designed for everyday convenience, this compact and durable tracker easily attaches to keys, bags, wallets, and more, ensuring you never lose sight of what matters most. With Bluetooth tracking in the Tile app, you can quickly locate your belongings, whether they're nearby or far away. This latest edition offers an improved range, louder rain, and enhanced water resistance, making it more reliable than ever. Plus, with Life 360 compatibility, you can enjoy added safety features and location sharing options. Whether at home or on the go, this smart tracker provides peace of mind and effortless tracking in a sleek, user-friendly design. This under-cabinet light is the perfect lighting solution for any kitchen, closet, or workspace. Designed with motion sensing technology, it automatically turns on when movement is detected, providing convenient hands-free illumination. The ultra-slim, modern design seamlessly blends into any space, while the rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance. With adjustable brightness levels and easy magnetic installation, this under-cabinet light offers both style and functionality. Perfect for enhancing visibility and adding a warm ambiance to your home. This cabinet light is a must-have for any modern setup. This mug holder tree is the perfect solution for organizing and displaying your favorite mugs. Designed with a sturdy and space-saving structure, it keeps your kitchen countertop neat while adding a touch of elegance. The durable metal frame ensures stability, while the 6 hooks provide ample space for hanging cups, coffee mugs, or teacups. This versatile holder is not just for mugs, it can also be used to store jewelry, keys, or small accessories. Ideal for home, office, or cafe use, it blends functionality with style, making it a must-have for any coffee lover. This wireless TENS unit is designed to provide effective pain relief with convenience and flexibility. Featuring 30 customizable modes, this muscle stimulator targets sore muscles, relieves tension, and promotes relaxation. Its wireless design ensures hassle-free use, allowing you to move freely without tangled cords. With adjustable intensity levels, you can personalize your therapy to suit your comfort needs. Whether you're dealing with back pain, muscle soreness, or post-workout recovery, this TENS unit offers a drug-free solution for relief. Compact and portable, it's perfect for use at home, the office, or on the go. This foldable treadmill is the perfect solution for staying active anytime, anywhere. Designed for convenience, it features a sleek, ultra-thin foldable design that easily slides under furniture for effortless storage. The quiet yet powerful motor ensures a smooth walking experience without disturbing your surroundings. With smart foot sensing speed control, you can adjust your pace naturally without the need for manual settings. Ideal for home and office use, this walking pad keeps you moving while working, watching TV, or taking calls. Stay fit with ease. Walk your way to better health. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.